Let's unbox October's Education Box, featuring the short-tailed brown-leaf bat. Every purchase this month donates to Small Mammal Conservation Organization and supports conservationists who work to protect bats. As always, the first item in the box is the bat plush. Next up is the Echolocate tin game. This game comes with dry erase markers, magnetic game pieces, and instructions for a game you can bring with you anywhere. Take turns using your echolocation skills to try and find the other opponent's bugs on the board. Next up is the bookmark with jokes and book recommendations and a postcard. The back of our magazine tells you how you can send your postcard to a conservationist. There's a bat sticker and an embroidered patch featuring the short-tailed brown-leaf bat, and a zoo pencil to help complete your box activities. There's also a checklist to make sure you know everything that comes inside your bat box. Then we have the ecosystem poster. While you put together the ecosystem by adding on stickers from the sticker sheet, you can see what animals and bugs live in a bat's ecosystem. Then we have the paper dissection kit. Cut and tape your paper dissection kit pieces following the instructions so that you can take a look at the skeletal system and organ anatomy of a bat. The conservationist box dives into what the different organs do so you can learn more about how a bat's body works. Up next is the Bat Book. The book is packed with fun facts and information about different species of bats, their ecosystems, diets, habits, and more. Up next is the magazine that focuses on bat-related crafts and activities and explores what kind of problems conservationists face and how they find solutions to help bats and other animals. Grab a bat box today and help support our small and big batty friends.